In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request task approvals in Goodday. We'll walk through how to set up a special status in your workflow that marks a task as needing approval. Once this is in place, your team will have a clear, consistent way to see which tasks are waiting for a sign-off before they can move forward. First, open the project where you want to use approvals and go to the status section. This is usually where you see statuses like not started, in progress, or completed. We'll be working directly with these statuses to build in the approval step. Next, look for the default status, such as not started, and click on the small arrow beside it. This arrow usually opens up more options related to that status and to your workflow in general. From the menu that appears, choose the option to edit the workflow. This will take you into the workflow editor, where you can manage all the stages a task can move through. Inside the workflow settings, click on the workflow tab if it isn't already selected. This area lets you see the full list of statuses and how they connect. Here, you're going to add a new status that will represent the for approval stage. To do that, click on Add Status. A small menu will appear, and from there, choose New Status. This tells Goodday that you want to create a completely new status, rather than reusing an existing one. Now, type in the name of your new status. For example, you might call it for approval, pending approval, or something similar that your team will immediately understand. A clear descriptive name helps everyone quickly recognize that the task is waiting for someone's review. Once you've entered the name, click on Create Status. Goodday will now add this status to your workflow. You should see it appear alongside your existing statuses, and you can usually drag it into the place in the sequence that makes the most sense for your process, such as after work is completed, but before it's marked done. After creating the status, go back to the status section in your project. Click on the default status you want to configure so that it can be used specifically for approvals, and then select the for approval status you just created. This connects your workflow changes with the actual task view, making it possible for users to move tasks into that approval stage whenever needed.